Anyway, as you know, I'm on a mission to find like the best skincare, body care, body wash, soap, all of that doesn't have lots of nasty ingredients, doesn't have too many chemicals. I've been testing out this new soap. So I have a video where I went to like a organic health store in Stratford and I bought this soap called Friendly Soap. So I've like don't use like high street soap like the Doves and the Radoxes and the Sanex. I don't use it because it just has too many perfumes and chemicals and I don't like that. So I bought like a tea tree and turmeric, tested it out, I really liked it. And then they kindly sent me a package of like, and it smells so good, of like different soap stuff. So let's open it together. Let's see what's inside it. Oh, see, look how fresh I am. I'm gonna use my Telcom to open this box. Okay, let's go. What do we have? So they asked me to pick out some stuff. So, this is so cute. This is a soap tray. Listen, like, I put like my bar soap on my shower caddy and sometimes it's given like prison vibes and it's not cute. Sometimes you get stuck. So this is going to be really useful. And it's from Bamboo. It's antibacterial, biodegradable. Let's see if it fits. Hold on, let me see if it fits. So it fits perfectly, so I'm really looking forward to using that. And then we have a soap box. This is going to be really good for when I travel. So your girl is leaving this country, not forever, but for a short period of time. And I do want to take my soap with me. So this is made from biodegradable liquid wood. Let's see. Can't even get it out. Here we go. This is cute. This is going to be so perfect to take my bar soap with me whenever I travel instead of wrapping it up in plastic. So very exciting. Oh girl. Okay, so I've got that. Then I have, this is a shaving bar. So like if you use like shaving oils or you use shaving foams, we know what's inside those shaving foams. If you read the back, you just know what's inside it. This is just like a nice alternative. And this has like literally the most minimal ingredients in it. It's literally got sodium cocoa, which is like a derivative of coconut oil, sodium olivate, which is a derivative of olive oil. It's got water, sodium castor, which is a derivative of castor oil. Then you've got soybean oil, you've got kaolin, which is like I think it's like a soothing agent, aloe vera, lavender, and then essential oils, so orange and lemon oil. And listen, I'm gonna shave my legs before I go on holiday, because in the winter we don't shave, because we don't shave our legs because your legs are not out, and you know the hair just acts as like a, you know, extra blanket in the cold. Oh my god. So I'm going to be using that. And then it's so funny because my soap has literally run out. I have like this much left. So this time I have a, oh, cinnamon. I'm trying to think, why did I pick this? This smells nice though. It smells very like peppery and spicy. Do you know what? I picked it because cinnamon is anti-inflammatory. Yes. Thank you. I'm gonna link them below. You can take a look at their products. Like, I'm definitely sold. I've been using their soap for like nearly a month now and I do like it. I've had no issues with it. So another month, here we go.